I just crashed my drone for the first time. Now we gotta go try to figure out if we can recover this thing, hopefully. What's up, fellow travelers? I hope all is well, and welcome to the final travel episode of 2020. Today we're continuing our exploration of the Laurentians region by visiting the town of Labelle. Labelle, Quebec is known for having some of the most popular hiking trails in the entire region, with notably 4360, Nez de l'Indien, and also La Montagne Verte, which is the mountain we're going to be doing today. This 5-kilometer trail should offer some 360-degree views of the entire region and is one of the most popular in the entire province of Quebec. If you come here during the fall season, trust me, you will see tons of cars. So come during the winter, a lot less people, and also definitely bring some crampons. Highly recommended. I'll link some down below that I've been using. So with that, let's get geared up and let's hit the trail.
I've seen the sunrise from mountaintops, slept on the wrong side of tabletops. I've climbed up trees that don't seem to stop, but it's home where my heart belongs. And it's the same as it's always been, who flow from land out into the sea, drawn home.
Well, I just crashed my drone for the first time. Unfortunately, it's super windy, snowy, icy, essentially the worst conditions to fly a drone. Now we gotta go try to figure out if we can recover this thing, hopefully. The batteries are dying. I have no idea if it's on the bottom of the mountain. And unfortunately, it's down there in the mountain, so this is gonna be a recovery mission. After descending the mountain in a crazy descent and my brother almost breaking his back, I think we've located the drone. I think we've actually managed to locate this thing. This is pretty insane, guys. The funny thing is we literally both just walked by it. This is our footsteps and this is the drone right there. Whoo! We are pretty lucky. Well, the drone seems to be intact. It's a pretty good day, guys. Hopefully this thing flies again one day. Now we gotta get back up this mountain. After finally recuperating the drone, we are now on top of the summits in Montagne Verte. I mean, this place is without doubt one of the best trails I've done in the entire province of Quebec. I understand why it's so darn popular. I mean, when it comes to effort versus results, probably one of the top trails. And I would put this the same level as Montagne des Cygnes in Charlevoix. Now we're gonna head back down the mountain and get a delicious bite to eat. Well guys, as you can tell, I am no longer in Mont Tremblant. I am back home in the comfort of my apartment. Last night it got too dark to film, so I decided just to do the video today. And to be honest, I have tons of stuff to tell you because yesterday was jam-packed of activities and emotions. That Montagne Verte was absolutely fantastic. Just so many great lookout points. And if you guys are wondering how my drone did, it is still working, as you can tell by the footage I published at the end of this video. So good news, there will be drone footage in 2021. When it comes to the trail itself, if you do go during the winter, definitely wear crampons, because if not, you will regret it. A girl I saw was not wearing crampons and she fell I don't know how many times. If you have a dog, dogs are permitted on the trail, which is great news for your four-legged friends. After a hike in the Montagne Verte, we went to the village of Mont Tremblant where we got a delicious bite to eat at Taco Solita, which makes fantastic vegetarian burritos. I still think of it even today. Before I end today's episode, I just want to say a quick thank you to you all for your amazing support and love you show me throughout 2020. When I started producing travel content in April of 2020, I never thought I'd be here now with over 35 episodes uploaded and edited. When doing a PhD, it's not always easy to find time to edit and film a video, but I must say it is so fun and I love discovering my beautiful province of Quebec. And I also just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, and may 2021 bring you everything you expect. I know 2020 has not been easy for all of us, but hopefully things will get better. With that, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram to keep up to date on my travel, because I will be publishing during the holidays even though I'm not uploading a travel episode. With that guys, for the last time of 2020, I have the pleasures of saying the next following words. Don't forget guys, safe travels.